Hello from San Francisco and welcome to the Hate Street Beat. Today's adventure begins at Mission Dolores Park on Carnival Sunday. And Carnival Sunday is a special day. It brings everyone together in a special way. We got a lot of great people coming together around great food, great music, great art, great dancing, and a great celebration of who we are. That's Carnival Sunday in San Francisco, and it was a gorgeous day this year. Blue sky, sunshine, as you can see. So for today's adventure, we are going to walk downhill along Church Street to 18th, hang a left on 18th and head right into the heart of the Castro. I see the waves, they're setting up offshore. We got a big saw wave coming in. Oh, surf is most definitely up. Let's go back into the music. As we approach 18th Street here, get ready to turn left and head west, make our way to the heart of the Castro. It's worth noting that the Mission and the Castro are neighbors. It's very easy to explore both neighborhoods at the same time. It makes a great day, especially on Carnival Sunday. But the Mission and the Castro are worth seeing. They're worth visiting because they are both quintessential San Francisco in very different but yet similar ways. Because ultimately being a San Franciscan is all about having the freedom to be yourself. I see the waves are setting up again. Let's go back into the music as we make our way down 18th Street, heading down towards Castro Street. approaching the Blue House. This is the Blue House right here at 3841 18th Street. The Blue House is really special and really important. A songwriter lived here in 1971 who spoke French. Went back to France a year later, in 72, wrote the song, The Blue House, all about the great time that he had having the freedom to be himself in San Francisco. And so it occupies a very special place in the heart of French people. So if you see someone taking a picture of the Blue House, chances are they probably know who Escoffier is, and they probably know who Paul Bocuse is. That's the power and the glory of French culture right here in San Francisco. We're sister cities. There's a lot to like in both. Let's go back to the music. One of the stunning things about San Francisco is the architecture. The architecture in San Francisco is just breathtaking. You can walk down the same street for 30 years and still see new elements, new flourishes, new details. San Francisco architecture is a big part of the visual vocabulary of San Francisco. A very big part of the heart that is San Francisco is her architecture. So when you come to San Francisco, be sure to visit the Mission, be sure to visit the Castro, be sure to take note of the stunning architecture and beauty that surrounds you, because we've got a lot of great people having a great time in a great city. That's what San Francisco's all about. The freedom to be yourself. Oh, look how colorful the color palette is here. I mean, if you're watching the video, right? All right, only a couple blocks to go here. We're gonna wrap things up as we make our way to Castro Street. I see the waves, they're stacking up. Big saw waves coming in. Surf's up. Welcome to San Francisco, people. I hope you're having a good time. You're tuned to the Hate Street Beat.